Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID phone number verification failed problem. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to log in with your Apple ID, but you're facing this type issue that you cannot verify your phone number, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back, open your settings here, go for general here, and here go for date and time settings. And you have to disable this toggle to set date and time automatically. Then tap on time zone and you just have to select your own time zone in which you are living. And once you have selected your own time zone, you have to enable this again. It will set your date and time and then go back, go for language and region option. Select region from here and now you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. And once you have set it, you just have to go back, open your settings here, go for general here, and then here go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after that you can also try to check your network connection that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. If you don't have, try to switch between your Wi-Fi network or your try to switch between your cellular data. And after doing that, you just have to go back and retry if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to make a force to restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button. Wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or it means your issue will be fixed in this tab. Or if it's still not fixed, you just have to open your browser here, go for search, you have to simply search for Apple support. Open the first website from here, just select the iPhone or iPad or which device you're using. And here you will get the option of get support. Tap on the star now under the get support option, and from here you just have to tap on the option of more, then select app store, and here just tap on get more help, then tap on call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.